Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek
Adventures. Danny, what is our adventure today?
We are at the Tulsa Spotlight Theater. Gonna go see the Drunkard.
Let's go adventuring! The Tulsa Spotlight Theater was originally built as a house and recital hall for piano teacher Patty Adam Schreiner in 1928. It was designed by architect Bruce Goff, who also designed the Boston Avenue United Methodist Church, among other iconic landmarks in Tulsa. The black and white contrast on the outside is a nod to piano keys, and there is a musical score in the round window. During our tour, we got to meet with the theater's chairman of the board, John Beasley, who was able to take us on a behind-the-scenes tour of the building and share his knowledge with us.
There's kind of an international style. You'll see it listed as in the National Register of Historic Places. This was well before international style was a thing, though. It does some streamline Art Deco to it, but this is just Goff. It's Bruce Goff. So this is the residence. So the address is different here.
Okay.
This is 1420 Houston, while where we came in before was 1381 Riverside Drive.
Okay.
Because, you know, it's considered like two separate buildings, even though it's obviously not. But the thing to point out is, again, these rectangles that, you know, kind of denote, and you can see it throughout the musical keys on a piano.
Okay. So this is where she lived.
Yes.
We aren't ones to spoil the behind-the-scenes magic, so here we are headed back inside through the main entrance. In 1941, Richard Mansfield Dickinson purchased the building, and on November 14, 1953, The Drunkard was performed and has been an ongoing Saturday night show since, giving it the designation of America's longest-running play. Since the first showing, there have been more than 3,000 Tulsans involved over the years.
Lucky 13.
Hey, that's my number.
That is his number.
The Drunkard is truly unique as there is no set cast performing each week. With a mix of talent, it's possible you may never see the same exact show twice, making this an event you can see over and over again. Audience participation is encouraged, and we had so much fun while we were here.
Y'all are a part of history tonight. Our 71st year, we are the longest continuously running production in the United States. So, so I couldn't be doing it without y'all. So I always say, best way to support local arts is buy a ticket and come to the show. So you've got that part down.
You gotta start warming up right now to be my sing-along stars. Okay, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Miss Judy on the piano was one of the all-stars of the night. We had so much fun singing along with her and being recruited to be part of her Singalong band.
Crazy, all of you.
It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage. You'll look sweet upon the seat, a bicycle built for two. As you can see, we had a blast. The Drunkard is a copywritten work of art, so we were unable to film during the show. We would like to take a moment to give a shout out to all of the amazing volunteers who were working both in front and back of house. Every interaction we had was great. Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Tulsa Spotlight Theater.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that like button.
We'll see you on our next adventure.
50 years.
Yeah, right, $1. So do you perform every Saturday?
Not every, but a lot.